This video will demonstrate how to make changes to your product configuration. Here under Administration, we go to Product Configuration, and we do need to work from left to right and then from right to left. Take Sandals and Beaches for instance. Sandals has a new resort, Dunn's River, and we don't have that added here yet. So we're going to click the plus sign, and I'm going to add in Dunn's River. Hit save. And let's say though that we have made a mistake. Let's say that Sandals had said they were going to have a resort on Tortola, and maybe at that resort they were going to have two different locations. So I'll go up here, maybe it's locale 1, and maybe they are also going to have locale 2. But let's say they decide they're not going to have Sandals Tortola, and you want to go in and make this change. You cannot just go here and delete Sandals Tortola because you still have these listed here to the right. So we have to go in and delete these first on the right, and then I can go down here and delete Sandals Tortola. And now it's no longer listed. So you will always need to work from right to left if you're going to delete something. Also keep in mind, if a reservation uses any of these resorts or destinations that's already been saved and possibly traveled to as a reservation, you will not be able to delete it in this list. You can go in and make a change to the name. So if you need to go in here, say, change the name of something, you can certainly do that. So when this, changes, say I want to put Sandals South East Coast, I would be able to do that. I could hit save, and now it's going to say Sandals Southeast Coast. So you can make that change, but you cannot delete that if it's already been used somewhere in a reservation.